Salam everyone. Today we are going to start our next topic, that is what? Median. The word median itself is somewhere in the middle. So the observation which is obtained in the middle is called what? Median. The observation which is what? We will obtain in the middle. After, this is important part, after arranging it ascending or descending, we have to first of all whatever observation or data we collect, that we have to arrange either in ascending or descending. Then we can find out what? Median. Let's take example for ungroup data. Here for example 17, 11, 23, 7 and 19. Here 5 observations are here. First of all, to find its median, I have to rearrange them in either in ascending or descending. Let's arrange these numbers in ascending order. So smallest one definitely it's what? 7, then 11, 17, 19 and last is what? 23. So I have rearranged this in ascending order. Now if you look at these 5 numbers, it's very easy to find out which is the middle term of this. So this 17 is what? This middle term 17 is the median. Now to find this median by using formula for ungrouped data, it's what? First of all, number of observation is what? 5, which is an odd number. 5 observations are there, so it's an odd number. There is another formula for even number of observation. So its formula to find median is what? Median equals to n plus 1 divided by tooth observation. So here what is n? It's what? 5. 5 plus 1 upon tooth observation. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 upon 2. So that is what? Third observation. This is what? Third observation. So now again I have to go to the observation first, second and third. So third observation is what here? It's 17. So the median of this data is what? 17. Let's increase one more number. Take here one more number, say this is what? 15. Now the question changed. Now instead of 5 observations, now there are how many observations are there? 6 observations are there. So first of all, again rearrange all this number. Let's start with smallest one. 7, 11, then 15, 17, then 19 and 23. So I arrange all the 6 observations in ascending order. So here the number of observation is what? 6, which is an even number. So the formula to find the median for this one, its median equals to n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 observation whole divided by 2. By this formula we can find out median. So what are the number of observation here? 6. So it's 6 upon 2. Again instead of n I am going to replace it by 6. 6 upon 2 plus 1 observation whole divided by 2. So 6 by 2 is what? Third observation. 6 by 2 means 3. Now 6 by 2 is what? 3. 3 plus 1. It's how much? Fourth observation. How I got this fourth? 6 by 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. Whole divided by 2. Now I am not supposed to add 3 plus 4 7. But I am going to replace this value. What is the third observation? First, second and third. The third observation is 15. And what is the fourth observation? First, second, third and fourth. That is what? 17 divided by 2. So 15 plus 17 is 32 upon 2. So the median is what here? 16. So this is the way we can find out the median for even number of observation for ungrouped data. Now before starting for group data, I have to explain about the CF, cumulative frequency. Let's take one convenient example for you. Say marks again. Say 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50. So marks are what? From 0 to 50. Say your frequency, say 2, 3, 5, 7, 3. So this is the group data. What is the sum of all this number? 5 plus 5, 10. This is what? So 20 students gave this test and these are the marks. 2 students got between 0 to 10. 3 students got between 10 to 20. Likewise. But now we are going to find the new thing, that is what? CAF. Its full form is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means all together. Let me show you. So how to find CF? First of all, write down this observation frequency as it is 2. Now this 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. Now this 5 plus 5 is how much? 10. Now this 10 plus 7 is how much? 17. Now 17 plus 3 is how much? 20. Always you get here this 20 and 20, always total frequency you get here. Now these are the numbers which are what? CF. Now let me explain what are the CF. Now for this cumulative frequency, if I observe this number, just focus on this one. There are 2 students who scored less than 10 marks. How many are there? 2 students. Now what is this 5? Adding this 2 number, 2 plus 3. So what does it mean? There are total 5 students, those who scored what? Less than or equals to 20. Less than and equals to 20 scored by how many students? 5 students. Now there are 10 students, those who scored below what? 30 marks, which include 0 to 10 also, 10 to 20 also, 20 to 30 also. Similarly, there are 17 students, those who scored below 40. So below 40 include all this number. How many are there? 17. And the last, all 20 students are there. So all 20 students will score what? Below or equals to what? 50, because it's 50 marks as maximum. So they can score below 50 only. So this 20 belongs to what? Number of students scored below 50 or equals to 50 marks. So this values are what? 2, 5, 10, 17, 20 are the CF for this group data. So this is what we are going to use in for group data sum. Let's solve 2 examples for group data. How to find median for group data. So this is the first question of exercise 14.3, first question. So your class is given, frequency is given. So always in median, first of all, what we have to find out? We have to find out CF, cumulative frequency. How to find cumulative frequency? It's 4 as it is. Now 4 plus 5 is how much? 9. 9 plus 13. 9 plus 13 is how much? 22. Now 22 plus 20 is what? 42. Now 42 plus 14. 42 plus 14 is what? 56. Now this 56 plus 8. 56 plus 8 is what? 64. Now 64 plus 4 is what? 68. Now add this all frequency. Let's find it out. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. So this is what? 68. So if the sum of frequency and the total of last CF, if both are same, then our calculation is correct. Now the important part of this, we have to, first of all, we have to find out what? N by 2, that is what? 68 upon 2, 34. Now the way we used to find model class, now we have to find out what? Median class. This is the important aspect of this sum. To find median class, we have to take the CF, which is what? CF greater and nearer. Greater and nearer to what? 34. Now which is the CF which is greater than 34 or nearer to 34? So it's 4, 9, 22, 42. So this 42 is greater than 34. I can't take this 22 because it's a smaller one. So I have to take the greater one. From this I'll get what? Median class. So always you have to mark like this so that you will understand which value you have to take out. Now I got the median class. This is what? Median class. median class is 125, 145. Now this value is what? L, lower limit. This value is what? Smaller for the formula, and the CF, previous CF of the median class. This is what? CF. Always you have to take, this is what? Median class. It's above. CF is what? This 22 is CF. Student used to do mistakes over here also. Many times they you going to use what? 42 instead of 22. Now I got almost all the values to replace in the formula of median. Let's start plotting the formula here. Median is equals to, it's L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into class height. This is the formula to find median of group data. Now we know all the values. Start replacing it. What is L here? 125. N by 2 is already here, 34. Now CF is what? 22. F is how much? 20. What is class height? Now here class height is what? 65, 85, 105. It's 20 difference is there. So class height is what? 20. So this is what? 20. So this is very simple. 20 and 20 get cancelled. So you can see that 125 plus 34 minus 22. 4 minus 2 it's 2. 3 minus 2 12. So 125 plus 12 is what? 137. So this is the median of given question first. The important part of this sum is what? To find the median class. That we get from n by 2, 34 we got. That 34 we have to find out in CF. The number which is more than 34 or near to 34. So more than 34 is what? 42. Even 56 is more than 34, but we have to take the nearest. So we are going to take 42 and we'll get the median class. From that we'll get lower limit, smaller and CF. So this is the way we can solve to find median for group data. Let's take one more example. Last sum of 14.3. So its frequencies are 2, 3, 8, 6, 6, 3, 2. Is that the frequency? Now, first of all, you have to find out what? CF. So 2 as it is. Now 2 plus 3 is what? 5. 5 plus 8 is what? 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 6, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 28 plus 2. This is what? 30. And add all this number. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 12, 25. 25 plus 5 is what? 30. Sum of all frequency. Or we can say this. This is what? N. Now let's start this calculating this. The first part to find the median class. So n by 2, 30 by 2 is what? 15. Now CF greater or greater and nearer. So which CF is greater than 15 or nearer to 15? Is 2, 5, 13 is nearer but not greater. So 19. So this is what? Median class. So this median class is what? 55, 60. So from this I get the value of L. How much? 55. Now this is what? F. F is how much? 6. Now the previous CF. This is what? CF. CF is what? 13. Height. Class height is how much? 40, 45, 45, 50. So class height is definitely 5. Now we got all the value, replace in the formula of median. So median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into height. What is lower limit here? 55 plus n by 2 is how much? 15. CF 13. F is what? 6. Height is what? 5. So it's 55 plus 15 minus 13 is 2 upon 6 into 5. So definitely is what? 2 3s are. So 55 plus 5 upon 3. Now the next two step is very important. One of the division and another addition. So 5 divided by 3. It's 1s are 3, remainder 2. 0.0. It's 6 are 18. 2. 6 are 18. Then again it will keep on coming 6, 6, 6, 6. So what are you going to take here? You will take this number as 1.67. As 6 is greater than 5, you have to take its next digit. So next digit is what? 7. So 55 plus 1.67. The sum of these two is 55 plus 1 is what? 56.67 is the median for given question. That is what? Last question of 14.3. So this is the way we can solve to find the median for group data.